Dad?
Cecil.
It's Mark.
Je suis désolé pour
I
toi.
need to talk to him.
Bon, moi
What's
je suis
going
désolé.
on?
Tu vas devoir souffrir pendant 2 jours. Bon bah je... Frérot, calme.
You should have stayed.
Bon courage pour les merde, comment ça s'appelle, pour les capitales. Je suis désolé, tu dois vivre avec ça pendant 3 jours. Ah, 3 jours, en vrai de vrai.
Dad?
So long. On se retrouve après quand je te dirai quand on écoutera la musique. Vu que là, il nous reste ce dernier épisode et après on passe. C'est des échecs, le carreau. Ah, ok. J'ai cru que t'avais dit qu'il fallait les capitales. Les carreaux calmes. Aïe. Putain, pauvre boy qui est mort 2
Ouais.
fois. Pauvre immortal.
We need to talk.
So long, pas moi. So long.
No!
La
Someone's
bise.
controlling you! Dad! Dad, tell me how to stop them!
Mark,
Let my dad go! Let him go!
stop. It's me, Mark.
C'est moi.
It's just me.
It's just me.
This isn't how I wanted to do this, but I don't have a choice. It's time for you
J'espère
to
que vous
know
êtes prêts,
where I
Krul
really
et,
come from.
et Benji.
I am from Viltrum, but it's not the planet I
La
told you
planète
about. We
Vegeta.
have created a perfect civilization, but
Oh.
it took all of our strength, determination, and courage to get there. In order for our people to reach their full potential, we had to remove the weak from our society. It
Ça, c'est
was
fou, hein.
a long and difficult process.
Ah là
When it
là,
was
ça part en
over,
steak là.
our population was cut in half. But what emerged from the ashes was unstoppable. By the time I was born, Viltrum was already the greatest
Aïe,
empire
aïe,
in our
aïe, aïe, aïe.
galaxy. We decided to make it the only empire in our galaxy.
Un peu
Once
raciste.
I was old enough, I joined the war effort.
Oh, regardez, il
It was
était jeune.
hard, but I believe in our cause.
Ah,
Some species
ça me rappelle
resisted,
quelqu'un,
of
ça.
course, but no one could withstand us for long. Soon our empire encompassed thousands of planets.
Thousands
But
of
as
planets.
our territory grew, our forces were stretched thin and our expansion stopped. We needed a better, more efficient way to conquer worlds. Our most trusted officers were each given a planet to weaken by
Ça me rappelle un
themselves.
certain manga animé.
Was one of those lucky few. I couldn't tell your mother why I was here,
Krul et Benji, préparez-vous. Hein.
but
Là,
that time's
c'est...
come to an end. And now we need to get
Salut à
Earth
tous
ready
sur
to
TikTok.
join the Viltrum Empire. Mark, this is good news. We can finally do what we were meant to do, be who we were meant to be.
Attendez, je remets. C'était une question de destinée. Est-ce que ça devait vraiment se finir comme ça?
You couldn't know the truth. Not until you had your powers. Not until I was sure.
Sure of what?
Il a attendu
Sure
17
you
ans
were
avant de dire ça. hein.
Viltrumite.
So if I wasn't, I'd just be one more human to conquer? No, this doesn't make any sense. You love me.
Écoutez bien.
You love Mom. I know you do.
You love me, you love mom, you love mom.
Do you have any idea how long we live? The older we get, the slower we age. Viltrumite DNA is so
Spoil
pure,
était bien.
you're nearly
Un vrai spoil.
full-blood.
Et bah oui,
You'll
bro,
live
je suis
for
désolé pour toi.
thousands of years.
Tu vas vivre des
You
milliers
understand
d'années.
what that means?
Milliers d'années.
Everyone you know and love will be gone before you even look 30.
Aïe, aïe, aïe.
It's not something I want.
C'est ignoble.
This isn't your world. It's theirs. But we can help them. We can stop.
Il veut essayer de faire le mec gentil en mode oui, mais bon, t'auras 20 ans, t'auras 30 ans, ils sont tous morts.
Centuries ahead of what they have now.
Toi, t'auras à peu près la tête de 30 ans. Ouais, du coup, là, il va plus vieillir
We've
du tout.
already been doing it.
De ce que-
If it
de ce
wasn't
qu'on-
for you
de
and
ce qu'on
me,
y
this
dit.
planet would be in flames. All we have to do is welcome Earth into our empire.
Ah, c'est la solution
I
facile.
do love your mother.
J'aime ta mère.
She's more like a pet to me.
A pet?
This
Un,
is the only
un
way.
chien.
Don't touch me.
Calm down.
Il a dit ouais ta mère c'est juste un animal de compagnie pour moi.
Insane. What do you think is gonna happen?
This
That I'm
is
gonna enslave my
insane.
friends for a bunch of aliens I've never met? This is my life. These are my people.
We have a responsibility.
Le son que vous
to
entendez,
I don't give a shit
il vient
about
d'un
filters.
édit de fou en
I don't
plus.
care if I live a fucking million years. This is my home, and I won't let you destroy it.
You don't know what you're saying. And I can't let you interfere.
I know exactly what I'm saying.
Tout va bien se passer. Peut-être pas en fait.
Do you really think you can stop me?
Actuellement, c'est la seule personne sur Terre qui puisse faire quoi que ce soit contre Omni-Man. C'est le combat père-fils fraternel. Fraternel. Combat père-fils tout court. Si lui ne l'arrête pas, personne ne peut le faire. Littéralement personne.
Map their trajectory. I need to know where they're going before they get there. Debbie, I'm so sorry you had to listen to that.
They're going to kill each other, Cecil. You have to stop this.
J'avoue, il a dit en 4K,
Yeah, sir.
ta mère c'est juste
They're
un chien
slowing
pour moi.
down
hein.
about
C'est
20
dingue, hein.
miles southeast of Chicago.
Chicago, they're in range. Scramble our jets.
Sir, what could they
Oh,
do?
c'est la seule fois où il faut que Invincible gagne. Il faut vraiment qu'il gagne, sinon c'est FF. La Terre sera transformée en esclavage moderne.
Okay, what do? Do we go out there?
And do what? We couldn't even keep up with them.
Mais franchement, hein.
We follow Cecil's orders and remain here. This battle is beyond our current
Bah oui, en vrai, ils ont...
Robot
ils
is Rudy's, right?
Rudy's.
We'll get our chance to help.
Bah ouais, là, il peut littéralement rien faire.
Oh, Jesus Christ, you okay?
I'm fine. What's happening with Mark and Omni-Man?
Omni-Man's
Aïe,
kicking
aïe,
the
aïe.
shit out of him. The world's gone fucking nuts.
Indeed. I truly
En
hope
soi, il y a
Mark
que
lives up to
Yves
his
qui
name.
aurait les épaules en
Face
vrai.
his
hein.
father and survive. He'll need to be.
Invincible! Regardez, en plus, il sait même pas encore bien voler. Non, il a appris à voler, mais il sait pas parfaitement voler, genre. C'est un petit oiseau.
It's not too late.
Yes, it is.
Merde! Comment ça, inactivité détectée? J'ai littéralement rien fait. J'arrive, TikTok. Ok, c'est bon. Re. Salut Teresa, salut Kenzak, salut Nour.
Cecil wants to waste more time. Look what they need to mimic a fraction of our power.
As soon as they separate, hit them with everything you've got.
Roger that.
It's right to pity them, Mark, but wrong to value them over your own kind.
Là, c'est du racisme pur et dur. Hein.
Now, now, now!
Direct hit. Repeat, direct hit on Omni-Man.
Alors peut-être. Peut-être que ça, les bombes font de l'effet. Ça le brûle, OMG. Allez Marc, sauve des gens.
Won't need it.
Save.
Oh, man. Thank you. Didn't think I was gonna make it.
Il va bien.
You almost killed him.
Instead, you saved him. So much effort. For what?
No!
Where was that other one?
He's on my six.
C'est peut-être un peu FF là. C'est peut-être un peu FF.
Killed him.
Now or in 50 years when he's old, what What difference does it make?
C'est vraiment un chien de la casse. Hein.
What difference?
Franchement, il a aucun respect pour les humains, mais
Did
genre
seeing that man
aucun.
lose his life disturb you? Did it hurt? Well, let's see how you handle this.
Et il retient pas ses coups. Hein. Il retient absolument pas ses coups. Hein. C'est son propre fils, hein, on rappelle. Hein. À cause de ça, la moitié de la ville est détruite. C'est vraiment Spider-Man là.
I've got you. I've got you. Don't move. Don't move. Don't be scared, okay?
C'est faux, hein. Non mais c'est faux. Ça se passe dans votre tête. Tout ce que vous voyez, c'est faux. C'est pas possible. Toutes ces vies humaines mortes en un instant. Il a vraiment pu rien faire.
How could you
La
do
mère, la fille,
That was your
tous.
fault.
C'est ta
Your
faute.
stubbornness against the inevitable killed those people. How many more need to die, Mark? It's up to you. And what were they doing with those fragile little lives
C'est
anyway?
fragile. Putain,
Listen to
quel
what
chien
I'm
de la casse.
saying.
Hein.
You know in your heart I'm right.
Right? About how pathetic and pointless humanity is? Is Mom's life worthless?
In the grand scheme of things.
Yes.
Debbie,
How can you say those
Merci sympa pour les likes sur
Say
TikTok.
that about Mom? Liar!
Allez, Invincible, faut que tu clutch. Là, c'est maintenant ou jamais, faut clutch.
For the first time in your life, I'm telling you the truth.
Toujours plus de morts.
Abby, I need to save them.
No. Maybe this time you'll learn.
Vous vous souvenez de la scène dans Spider-Man? Bah, c'est tout l'inverse. C'est pas possible. Hein. C'est pas possible que ce soit vrai. C'est pas possible. Toute la ville de Chicago.
These people are
Il a fait ça à son propre
meaningless.
fils.
They're cavemen without us.
Mais quel chien de la casse!
I've seen you save people. I've seen you almost die to protect them. Maybe you were a Viltrumite when you came to Earth,
Merci
but you
Raj
changed.
Ayan pour le follow.
You're happy here.
Sure, I was happy for a time, but I'm loyal to Viltrum, not this pathetic excuse.
C'est un
for a
gros chien,
civilization.
littéralement, c'est un chien de Viltrum. Viltrum. il hésite pas sur les coups, il tue des gens et il fait tuer des gens par son propre fils. Il dit que tout ça c'est de sa faute. Là ce que vous voyez c'est vraiment un psychopathe né hein. Et un
You aren't
manipulateur
listening,
toxique hein.
Mark. My time here has been a speck in the span of my life. You don't know me. I will burn this planet down.
I will
before I
burn
spend another
this
minute
planet
living
down.
among these animals. Please.
En plus, dans mon livre, Invincible il tape pas avec 100% de ses capacités hein. Parce que lui il a toujours des sentiments humains, il va pas frapper son père aussi fort. Alors que l'autre, il hésite pas du tout hein. Omni-Man il a zéro hésitation.
I was wrong to raise you as a human. I should have prepared you better, taught you more. Your life has been soft and painless. You're a Viltrumite in
Comment ça
blood
painless?
only.
Tellement ce que tu
Well,
l'as
your
fait vivre là.
true education begins now.
Que quelqu'un sauve Marc. De base t'attendais que le père vienne sauver Marc, mais là y a personne là.
We can't save lives.
Cecil's orders were to stay here.
We don't care.
Essayez à votre niveau, essayez de faire les choses.
You're not a robot anymore.
Bah oui, t'es un humain. T'as un cœur, bro, essaye. Allez, encore plus de décès. Le Titanic rebelote. Il fait vivre toutes les souffrances à son fils. Hein. Le noyer, le tabasser, souffrance psychologique, mentale. Tout. Et en plus, il met 100% de sa force dans les coups. Hein. Et allez, encore plus de décès avec les avalanches. Toujours plus.
Had enough yet?
I'll stop you.
I'm ready when you are. You're doing this for nothing. Being a part of the Empire will make Earth better than it ever was.
Bah là, t'as tué tellement de gens.
They resist.
That's why we're here.
Ça
To
tombe
keep
bien.
them from resisting. To show them how wrong they are. How pointless it is. That they can be a part of something bigger. Or die.
Ça me rappelle une certaine époque de 39-45, ça.
You wanna die for this planet? Fine! What's 17 more years? I can always start again. Make
Écoutez
another
bien.
kid.
Il est ignoble. Le pauvre petit, il a 17 ans. Il a 17 ans et son père le tabasse la gueule. Oh, regardez Debbie jeune. Debbie quand elle avait 20-25
If I
ans.
have to watch this game, I'd have a better view from above.
You can't do that.
It's bad enough you're standing over here like a weirdo. Come sit down.
This is a waste of everyone's time. There's so much more I could be doing right now.
Oh, you're gonna miss it. Look at Mark.
Strike one.
Parce que
You and
Marc
I-
peut clutch,
We made him.
on l'a fait.
He's ours. When he feels joy, we feel joy. See that look on his face? How can you see that and not feel the
Salut
same
Sonia
way?
Bena.
Strike
C'est
two.
les
As
Quan.
we get older, it's harder to feel that. The weight of the world, it bogs us down.
Bah oui, quand c'est des enfants, c'est facile de s'en rapprocher. Vu que tu sens toute leur progression, tout.
Nice one, honey.
But our children remind us of the joys in life. It brings us back.
Ça, je
Shows
l'ai
us
bel et
what
bien
life
déjà
is
vu
all
à cause
about.
des spoilers. Mais ça fait trop chier les spoilers. Je te jure,
This is
t'aurais
humanity.
découvert ça. Après, t'aurais pu croire que c'était un faux souvenir, tu vois. Allez, Marc! Allez, Marc! Faut que tu cloches contre ton père.
Go, Mark, go! Come on, buddy, you can do it!
Allez, Marc!
Safe!
Marc qui clutch.
Did you see that? Did you see? Oh, that was amazing!
Yeah. Yeah, I saw.
Et il a tabassé son fils à mort. Hein. Putain, le pauvre, il est méconnaissable. Après, il a les mêmes dents qu'il avait quand il était petit. Putain, c'est ignoble.
Damn it!
Il est ouvert de partout, la mâchoire, tout est détruit.
Why did you make me do this? You're fighting so you can watch everyone around you die. Think, Mark. You'll outlast every fragile, insignificant being on this planet.
Écoutez bien.
You'll live to see this world crumble to dust and blow away. Everyone and everything you know will be gone. What will you have after 500 years?
You, Dad. I still have you.
Quel fils? Quel fils? Même après tout ça.
Dad?
Les expressions sont tellement bien foutues. Il pleure, hein. Il pleure, hein. Est-ce que l'humanité l'aurait changé un peu? Marc a clutch à sa manière. Franchement, si on m'avait dit que ça allait se passer comme ça, j'aurais jamais cru. Hein. J'aurais jamais cru qui que ce soit. Il s'est fait tabasser à la muerte. Et même en fait tout, hein, tout. Physiquement, mentalement, tout.
C'est-à-dire que moi, quand je fais l'amour, une fraction de seconde, je sors de mon corps, je me regarde et je fais bravo champion. Alors que les filles, vous
Je
êtes
jure
là.
que je vais péter un plomb.
J'ai mis mon réveil à quelle heure, moi, demain?
Je jure que je vais péter un plomb. Je jure que je vais péter un plomb. On n'a rien vu, ok? On n'a rien vu. Ne laissez rien passer.
This is the scene in downtown Chicago as darkness falls
Selon
on the
Chicago.
day. The world changed. Omni-Man and Invincible touched down here during their terrible battle.
The damage you can see behind me was done in a matter of minutes before they carried their fight elsewhere.
I can't begin to explain the devastation, the pain, the loss. It's like nothing I've ever seen. And we're all asking the same question. How could someone who promised to keep us safe, to protect us against any threat, become that threat? Without answers, all we can do is hold each other.
Mais vraiment pauvre Marc. Hein. Son monde s'est écroulé en un instant. Son père était avec lui, son père était contre lui et il a défoncé sa grand-mère.
The cost in lives is incalculable. Thankfully, the Guardians of the Globe and Adam East are on the scene. There's been no sign of Omni-Man, Invincible, since yesterday. In time, we hope to know what ended this attack. But for now, we can be thankful that the danger is behind us.
Tellement de personnes décédées. Tellement de vies arrachées en un instant. C'est même plus des effets collatéraux là, en plus c'était fait pour être fait. T'as Marc qui guérit comme vraiment, littéralement ça y est, non?
Don't try to talk. You're gonna be okay.
Et il a
You're
tout
safe
cassé, hein.
now.
Tout son corps est cassé. Hein.
It's all
De la
over.
mâchoire jusqu'au crâne, jusqu'aux os du bas du corps.
Here, drink. I'm so
Franchement, je suis
proud
trop,
of you.
trop triste pour toi, Benji, que tu sois fait spoil tout ça. Mais Krul, au moins je suis content pour toi que au moins toi tu peux découvrir ça. Mais j'avoue que j'aurais jamais prévu ça, genre vraiment jamais. À aucun moment je regardais ça, j'étais en mode bah ça va se passer comme ça. En fait non. À aucun moment j'aurais pu prévoir ça. C'est impossible à prévoir. Comment tu peux prévoir ça?
I was wanting to, look, if this is too much, just say so. If it were me, it would ease my mind to know that things are taken care of, so...
Just get on with it, Cecil.
Since we want to preserve Omni-Man's secret identity, to keep you and Mark safe, Nolan Grayson officially died when the house across the street exploded from a gas leak. And Nolan's travel books always sold well, but sales will see a significant spike after his death.
Aïe aïe
So
aïe.
you and Mark will be fine for money.
En plus, ouais, Nolan c'était un écrivain.
And don't be alarmed if you see yourself and Mark on the news. We sent proxies to the funeral so your lives can go back
Alors,
to
Krul,
some
t'as
kind of
kiffé?
normal once Mark's healed up.
Normal?
Look, I'm sorry. I didn't mean
Salut
Well, I know
Karem,
it was.
t'as dit.
I'm sorry. This is all very kind. Thank you.
Yeah. Nolan was doing everything under my nose and I never saw it. I wouldn't be able to live with myself if I didn't make things as right as they can be.
Puis j'ai aimé. Est-ce que mentalement tu vas bien? Est-ce que tu es chamboulé? Franchement, rien ne m'avait fait me dire que ça se passerait comme ça. Vraiment rien. Je me disais, bon, il y aurait peut-être un talk no jutsu, ou peut-être une petite bagarre vite fait, tu vois. Mais jamais ça en fait. Jamais un massacre comme ça et juste que son père aille le défoncer la gueule, mais genre vraiment littéralement.
We haven't earned it yet.
Seriously?
En vrai, si, le mérite. Je l'ai déjà pas avant, donc ouais, c'est vrai, ça allait pas. Mais en fait, aller autant loin qu'il allait faire tout ça. Va te faire foutre.
I said stop.
La team est soudée. Bah, en vrai, il le mérite un peu, hein.
Now we look like a team.
Ah, tout le monde se clutch entre eux tous. Je pars me coucher, je suis crevé. BN Benji-kun. Après ça, on passe à la musique et je réinvite Pingouin. Comment reprendre une vie normale là en fait? Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit Benji-kun. Bonne nuit. On se retrouve demain 16h. Ouais, même lui, en fait, Nolan, c'était son pote. Et lui, son meilleur ami s'est fait casser la gueule. Et elle aussi, son pote, s'est fait casser la gueule. Et en soi, le héros du monde. C'est lui à faire 348. Putain, pauvre Marc. Hein. Tout le monde a pris cher, mais putain, Marc.
Oh, hey William.
Oh, hey Eve.
En plus, ça c'est trop bien, elle peut transformer littéralement son costume en ses vêtements et ses vêtements en ses costumes.
Not since that stuff between him and his dad on the news. I'm really worried. Oh shit.
Wait a minute, you know he's invincible?
Oh man, you know too? Oh, thank God, I thought I blew it. You think he's okay?
Mais là, Lionel, il s'est juste barré. Heureusement. Hein.
I don't know.
Franchement, heureusement qu'il s'est barré. Hein.
That was a hell of a thing you did there, kid.
En soi, il a clutch, hein. Il a clutch.
I thought it might have been a dream.
Je crois que c'était un
I
rêve.
wish it were. He'd been drifting in and out for almost 2 weeks.
2
My
semaines.
guys got you.
Eh, mais en 2 semaines, il a bien guéri, hein.
We'll let you out in a day or two.
I saw my dad fly away. Where'd he go?
Get your rest, kid. We'll talk later.
Hey, wait. Wait.
Ah.
Aren't you gonna tell me what happened?
That depends.
On
Un
what?
petit flash
On
là.
if you still want to be a hero or not.
I don't know.
Come with me.
Mais il s'est fait troncher la gueule, bien sûr que là, vraiment, il nous faut un peu de
I
réflexion.
wanted to tell you that your mother heard everything your dad said, so you don't have to go through the trouble of explaining this whole ordeal.
What? She heard everything? How could you do that?
Don't you think she deserves to know the truth?
Yeah, but...
Your mother knew he killed the Guardians, but she was holding out hope there was a good reason for it. So was I.
Mais la raison, un état
I
NAZI.
know everything about your father.
Maybe you're right. Wait a minute, where are we?
Oh, sorry. Lights.
OMG. La caverne d'Ali Baba. Oh, immortel! Et le retour de l'immortel.
That's enough. Lights.
What the hell just happened? Where'd all that go?
The water America drinks so conveniently from their taps is laced with a chemical that inhibits the ability to see certain frequencies of light.
Ah non mais abuse.
Used in this room.
So it's all just invisible?
You and everyone else in America do not have the ability to see the things in this room. You'd be surprised how often we use this.
Wild.
Non mais attends mais c'est
To answer your
abusé.
question, we monitored your father until he left our solar system. He didn't change trajectory, so he's going somewhere pretty damn far away.
Oh.
Which means we need a replacement.
Au moins il s'est cassé, c'est une bonne chose.
Not now, not yet.
Your dad didn't leave me with a lot of options, Mark. If I can't call on you, well, there's not really a list past the Guardians of the Globe.
I know. I'm sorry. It's just... it's too much.
I shouldn't have brought this up so soon. Let's get you and your mother home first. We fixed the house, talked to your school and Debbie's work. There's even a headstone in the cemetery. Not that you'd want to visit it. If either of you need anything else, you know how to reach me.
Putain, Cécile qui a un vrai cœur. Vraiment là il réfléchit comme un humain. Et pas juste en fonction de...
Much better.
I'm going to go lie down for a bit.
Mais même pour la mère en fait c'est hardcore. Elle a vu son mari la traiter de chienne littéralement. Et son fils se faire tabasser par son propre mari.
Guess who's finally getting his powers?
Il aurait jamais dû débloquer ses pouvoirs.
Great, son. Just
Tout a changé depuis ce moment-là.
If you really want to do what I do, you have to be prepared for anything.
Dad!
Ow!
I'm scared, Dad. What if I can't do this?
This is the beginning of a long journey for you and me. Along the way, you're going to need to do things you don't want to do, or might not think you can do. You're a Viltrumite. We have responsibilities that normal humans don't.
I want to do what you do. I want to be just like
Just
you.
like you.
You will be, son.
Toutes les paroles de Invincible ont tellement de puissance. Tu penses que comment ça va se finir la saison?
Mom, I'm gonna order something for dinner.
Du moins cette saison, tu penses
Wanna
que ça
get
va
a
se finir
pizza?
comment? Bah ouais, elle, en fait, elle a tous les mauvais côtés en fait. Elle peut même pas se défouler sur quoi que ce soit, elle a pas de pouvoir. Bon, c'est pas parce que t'as des pouvoirs que tu peux te défouler.
Mark!
Whoa. Does this mean,
I mean, if you want.
but what about...
Looks like I wasn't the only person being lied to.
You know, Omni-Man is
You
my...
said your dad was killed when a gas line blew up across the street. Not that hard to figure it out from there. Detective Amber, ready to help out on any tough cases that come up. Are you... I know you're not okay, but do you want to talk about it?
Yeah, I think I do.
Mark! Oh man, it's so good to see you're all right. I mean, after everything on the TV about you and Omni... Hey, Amber.
She knows about my dad.
Oh, okay.
They know?
You guys want to, let's go out.
Mais lui, il ressemble trop au père de Benden. Mais vraiment la pauvre.
We're not open. How did you get... Debbie.
Vraiment, sa vie a été un mensonge.
Scratch that.
C'est ignoble. En plus, mais vraiment, c'est
What can I do for you?
impensable. Je donnerais tout pour pas être à sa
spent
place.
so much time thinking about if Nolan had killed the Guardians
Je les avais tués.
and why he would have done it.
Pourquoi il l'aurait fait?
I didn't think about what would happen afterwards.
Ouais, c'est ça en fait. Mais personne peut s'y attendre. Personne peut se dire, ah bah qu'est-ce qui se passerait si.
And Mark, after everything Nolan said and did,
Il est fait.
I still can't believe it.
Toujours pas.
I can't believe our time together was a lie.
Bah ouais, genre 17 ans de leur vie, même plus
I
en
wish
vrai,
he'd come
18 ans. Ils reviennent.
Me too.
Moi aussi.
Pour me one of those.
I've only got the one glass.
J'en ai qu'un.
I don't care. Pour.
How's your mom taking it?
About as badly as you'd expect.
Ah, c'est
Mark, I
normal.
am so sorry.
I
C'est
don't
le
know
mot
what to say.
Nestlé.
It's like I'm hollow inside. Nothing seems real.
We don't have to do this here.
No, it's okay. I just need to get out of the house. But, can we talk about something else?
We can try, but it's literally all anyone is talking about in the whole world. Okay. Sorry. New topic.
Hold on. Hello?
I need you. Now. Hurry.
Sorry, I'll be right back.
Et
What
lui
is
qui
it?
revient
I
voir
know.
qu'il lui a-
You said you don't want to do this.
Mais je pense que c'est le syndrome
Someone's flying
de.
towards Earth from deep
Pas de
space.
Stockholm.
We're still trying to figure out who it is, but
Oh. En mode on te. Je sais pas comment dire, mais en mode de. Ah, je sais, j'ai pas d'explication. Ah, ça, comment expliquer ça, de mon point de vue? Elle veut plus d'explications, je pense. Parce qu'il l'a pas dit en face. Il a vraiment dit en mode de
You know
loin.
about Mark and Omni-Man now, so you might as well know about me. I met Mark in costume before I realized we went to the same school. I'm Adam Eve.
What? Oh my god, I see it now. You can make doubles of yourself.
No, that's
Ça, c'est
duplicate. I'm the
duplicate.
pink one.
Oh, right.
Vraiment un gros. comment il a pu les. Ça, c'est trop ingénieux, ça. On vient de t'expliquer que quand il s'envole et qu'il rejoigne l'atmosphère, ses vêtements brûlent à cause de la friction, mais pas son costume parce que son costume est fait pour résister à ça. Incroyable. Oh non. Oh non, c'est bon.
Oh, it's just you.
Ok,
Oh,
putain,
thank heavens.
c'était peut-être FF
I
alors.
thought I was too late. I have to warn you.
Warn me.
When I returned to the Coalition of Planets to tell them I'd been going to Earth instead of Urath, they lost their minds. Earth is off limits. There's a Viltrumite living on your planet.
Ouh.
Oh.
Ah bah, un peu trop tard.
What? You already know?
Yeah.
I don't understand.
Grab a seat. This may take a while.
Au moins, on a un peu de l'or.
So, you're a Viltrumite, but you don't work for them. And your dad tried to take over the planet, but then left? He just left?
Est-ce que
That's
c'est
nuts, man.
est-ce que c'est le destin?
As far
La
as we can
solution
tell,
finale?
my dad is just gone.
That is super weird for a Viltrumite. They don't just
Écoute
give
bien,
up.
Colt. Ils
They're
n'abandonnent pas.
relentless.
Ils sont
They destroyed
implacables.
my world when my people rebelled against them.
Ouais, c'était lui sa
They
planète
blew
là,
up our planet rather than lose it.
plutôt que de la perdre.
Jesus. I'm sorry.
C'était ses people à
From
lui.
the sounds of it, I'm the one who should be apologizing. If I'd checked my orders properly, I would have seen that Earth was flagged for Viltrumite takeover. Could have warned you.
C'est vrai, peut-être il
I
aurait
was
pu
just talking
clutch.
to my dad and told him everything. Who knows what would have happened then?
C'est vrai.
Can't imagine what
Ça
you're
aurait peut-être
going
été
through.
FF.
Literally, like I have no concept of it. With my homeworld gone, my people had to create breeding camps just to stop us from going extinct. I've never even met my father.
After the last few days, I'm jealous.
The Coalition of Planets will want to hear about you. A power struggle's brewing in the farthest reaches of space.
What kind of power struggle?
The Coalition is trying to unite enough worlds to stop the Viltrumite Empire.
OMG.
The thing is, no one's even heard of a Viltrumite abandoning their post.
C'est la première fois que ça arrivait, du coup c'est jamais arrivé en fait que un Viltrumite abandonne la planète.
The advantage we've been looking for.
Du coup, en soi il a clutch, Invincible a clutch.
Let me know if I can do anything to help.
I don't get why you're smiling.
Just thinking about everything I've been through.
Il s'est
How
fait
huge
casser
it
la
all
gueule en
feels.
rappelant.
But the fact it's just a small part of something much larger makes it all seem more manageable.
C'est vrai.
I don't know, but it helps.
Il s'auto
Sorry to
convainc
rain
que
in your
tout va
parade.
bien aller.
That happens on Earth, right? Anyway, once they find out your father took off, the Viltrumites are gonna come for you. Trust me, when they set their sights on a planet, they don't give up without.
Aïe aïe aïe, oh non. Est-ce qu'il y aura d'autres Viltrumites qui vont venir?
What's the plan in the meantime?
Comment ça se fait qu'ils sont en vie? On m'explique comment ils sont en vie eux?
Finish high school, I guess.
Finir le lycée, j'imagine.
Oh, all right, good. Sounds good. What is high school?
C'est quoi le lycée? Non. C'était trop bien. Alors que, est-ce que t'as kiffé cette première saison, ces derniers épisodes de Zinzin? Moi j'ai trop kiffé. Franchement, revoir ça, ça me faisait trop plaisir. Et surtout que, putain, c'était tout aussi, toujours aussi horrible. Genre horrible dans le sens où, putain, qu'est-ce que c'est... C'est hardcore, quoi. Putain, il est déjà 23h03. Putain, je suis sur le cul. Ah, Penguin, tu as pop, mais instantanément. Je te vois là, tu fais quoi? Je t'ai envoyé le message, tu as spawn. Mais en une fraction de seconde. Bah, on te dira rien, pingouin. C'était cool. Trop hâte que tu découvres de ton côté et qu'on en parle lundi. Vraiment hâte. Attendez, avant que je remette le truc, faut que je change. Du coup, une petite game. Tu veux qu'on fasse une petite game? Krul, est-ce que tu veux nous rejoindre pour la last? Parce qu'après ça, je quitte. Et en fait, demain, j'écoute les musiques. Parce que en fait, j'avoue que là, je suis fatigué, je serai pas à mon plein potentiel. Donc, théorie Marc a pris la vérité. Le daron a tenté d'expliquer. On est parti en vacances sur une autre planète. Je vois, je vois. Théorie intéressante. D'accord. Non, mais en fait, j'ai vraiment envie d'écouter.